So once you have done this with all of the bills, I personally like to crumple it, okay? It might seem a little bit strange, but I think it's more realistic. And I mean, it's totally up to you, of course, but I don't really like the idea of having a crisp bill inside my wallet. It's up to you. So I really like to crumple it. Don't worry, it won't get damaged. It will work perfectly with the trick, you know. Because I don't know, for me it's a little bit more realistic this way, okay? So once you have set up, you are going to place, as I have mine here, you are going to place the cards inside the bills, okay? So here I place in this order. I place the ace first, and I like to place the hearts to the left. Why? Because your heart is at the left, so it's very easy to remember, okay? Just think hearts left, and it's very easy. This will really help for the reveal. You don't need to think, oh, should I spread the cards to the right or the left? So it's basically ace, then 2, and all of this in order: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, okay? So you have all of these and you are going to place them on the wallet. Okay, so take your wallet and you are going to place it in 3 different compartments. First, we are going to take the ace, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so on top is the ace, then the 2, then the 3, and then the 4, and we are going to place it on the very first compartment where the zipper is, okay? So we're going to place them right here. It's important that when you place the bills, you really make sure that they are not disaligned, okay? So let's imagine that, I'm exaggerating, but let's imagine that I'm placing one much more to the back. You cannot bend the wallet or you'll damage the card. So always be sure that when you place the bills with the cards, you always push them to the front, okay? It's a small detail, but it's very important, okay? So, ace, 2, 3, 4. In the second compartment, I'm going to place the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. So you align them. Second compartment, right here. And again, push them really to the front and spread them. Perfect, like this. Ace, 2, 3, 4. In the second, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the last one, we're going to place the 9, the 10, the queen, the jack, and the king. So we're going to place them in the last compartment. So all of the cards, all of the reels are loaded like this, okay? Perfect. And now you are going to place the 3 blue cards. For explanation purposes, I'm going to use these transparent ones, okay? Something that now I really advise you to do is, first of all, please practice with some cards that you have at home. Practice with cards that you have on a drawer or something, or brand new cards, before playing with the gimmicked cards. Because as I mentioned in the first part of this tutorial, is that this effect needs some practice. What I mean is that, first of all, the wallet, as I mentioned, is really hard in the beginning. You know, it needs breaking in. So the more you do it, the leather will really get used to the movements that you are going to do. And this is very important. 1 hour, 2 hours later, it's a totally different wallet, trust me. So don't get discouraged when you practice this effect for the first time. That's important for me to say. So please grab some cards and practice before doing with the gimmicked ones. But in essence, the blue cards are right in here. Okay, the plastic. So during the routine, as you have seen, what happens is the spectator names any value, not the suit. It's important that you tell them, oh, please tell me any value from ace through king, okay? Anyone, not the suit, for now just the value. And they are going to say the one that they want. So another detail is that you can also add some cards here. So some cards. Again, when your first wallet, this will be a little bit hard to place. Again, the wallet needs breaking in, and with practice, it will get perfect. Like this, okay? You place the cards right here, and you are ready to go. So, little spectator, you'll tell him, oh, please, I want to show something really special. First of all, please, I want to think of your favorite card. Don't tell me the suit, if it's hearts, if it's clubs, I don't really want to know. But I just want you to tell me any value. And they say, for example, the 8. So what happens is, you address the spectator and you tell him, oh, I have something here in my wallet, I only have some money. And what's going to happen is that you are going to open the wallet. You don't need to show them openly. You tilt it a little bit and you are going to find the 8. So it's ace, 2, 3, 4 in the second compartment. Remember, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take it like this. You show it really fast. You don't need to stop. Okay, so the motion is this. So which card? Oh, the 8, perfect. Oh, I have here some money in my wallet, and that's it. Okay, you don't need to stop or it's just showing them very casually the bill without giving any importance at all. So you show them, and of course they will not know that you have a card in there. So you show them, and you are going to place over here in the very first compartment. So you place it. Once you place the bill, it's nice to show a card. And you say, oh, I have here some credit cards as well. And then you tell them, do you know what this is? Do you have any idea of what this is? And what is going to happen is that you remove them, remove the cards. And once you remove the cards, half of them, then you ask them, do you know what this is? And what the spectator is thinking of his answer. And while he's thinking, what you are going to do exactly in that motion is that your finger is going into the secret compartment and the index finger is going to take the card here. Okay? And then you remove them all. So again, you open, you place, and then you say, oh, I have here some cards. Do you know how many cards are here? Pause. And say, do you have any idea which cards are these? And then in this, the spectator is going to say, oh, no, I don't know. And then you typically take it and you do this, okay? That's basically you place the wallet in your pocket. So you already have secretly added the card to the bottom right here, okay? So this is exactly how it works. Let's imagine that the spectator says, for example, the 10. Oh, very well, here I have some cards. I also have here some money, some cards, and I also have a few cards. You take them out like this, and now, yes, you ask them the question, do you have any idea which cards are these? And you do this, and you place the wallet aside. And in this motion, you already have your cards. So now you are going to place one card to the bottom, and you are going to do an Helmsley count if you want, placing this card in the bottom, so the card is right here. So now, of course, you are going to force the color, and you ask them, so which ones you want to remove, the red or the black? If they say the black, okay, let's get rid of the blacks, let's keep with the red ones. Okay, do you want to remove the reds? Perfect. Now we have hearts or diamonds. So you need to force that color exactly in this way, and that's it. It makes perfect sense. It's the magician's choice. So if the spectator says then, okay, I want the hearts, you open in this way. Don't forget, the heart is at your left. If the spectator says diamonds, you open to the other side. Be careful to not expose the other half of the card. Now they are reacting, and then you say, oh, I was so sure that you were going to pick, in this case, the 10 of diamonds, that I changed it color. So you must do this movement really fast in order to avoid exposing this half of the card. So you do this, place the card aside on your pocket, or wherever you want, and then reveal that the others do not exist. So again, I must really emphasize this enough. When you make the gimmicks and you prepare the wall and you start practicing, first practice with cards that you have on hand. so you don't practice with the gimmicks yet. As I mentioned, not only this trick it needs some practice, but the leather, when it's brand new, needs breaking in. And in the first times that you practice, you are going to struggle a little. I'm telling you right now, you will struggle a little. So please don't get disappointed. It's exactly like this. Once the leather starts to get more used, if you practice for 1 hour, an hour and a half, 2 hours in front of the mirror, I guarantee you 100%, you'll get much more used to the movements. The leather will be worked, will be really totally different. So please, I must really emphasize this. Do not get frustrated the first time that you practice and you try out to remove the card, because you'll struggle a little. It's normal. So this is exactly how it works. I've had a lot of fun with this. I showed this effect to David Stone when he was here to film our Magic Inside podcast, and he was literally fooled. He had no idea how it worked as well. So again, it's a magician fooler as well. So it's really, really cool. Practice in front of the mirror, all the angles and everything. But I'm sure that you are going to get a lot from this effect. If you want to know more about all of our products, you can find us at Facebook at João Miranda Magic Secret Group. You must search right here. It's appearing now on the screen. And that's it. I hope you have a lot of fun with New Wave by my good friend Victor Sanz. See you on the next one.